Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start our new block. It is block 12. And we have completed our 11th block. And from that block, we have learned mainly about recipe and compound words. So, what do you mean by this recipe? Yes, this recipe tell us, it help us to make tasty food. It is giving some instructions to make food. Then what about this compound words? It is when two words join together to make a new word. Then it is called compound word. So dears, can you say some examples for this compound word? It is washroom, then cutting board, timetable, lunch box. These are some examples. So here in those words, we can divide them into two parts, and both of these words are having their own meaning. So these are the things that we have learned from our previous class. So what is our today's topic? It is text to world connection. Text to world connections. So this we have already done in our first chapter, Anya and the Dragon. So again, we are going to do the same. We are going to do something like this today. In your previous class, you have read one story. It is Scary Sam. Do you remember that story? Right. Who are there in that story? Who are the main characters in that story? Right. Sam and Sid. Then what do you know about them? The Sam and Sid. What do you know about Sam and Sid? Yes, they were brothers. And can you tell me something about Sam? Yes, Sam was scared of the dark corridor and he could not able to cross that dark corridor. Then how did he solve that problem? Yes, at last he wore a scary mask. He used a scary mask to cross that corridor. When he wore that, he felt strong himself. He brave himself. So these are the main events in the story, right? So by connecting these main events, we can recall the story. So today we are going to do something like that. So what is our today's aim? It is connect details about characters in a story to their own lives. So my dear children, today we are collect some details about the characters, about them. So this is our today's aim. Okay, now look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is called a floral carpet. And dears, do you know this picture, this floral carpet remind me the festival of Onam in last year. I had a lot of fun in that festival. I like it. It is one of my favorite festival. Now look at these things. Have a look on these things. And what will you do now? You will do one thing. You will find out the things. Means you will write the name of these things in your notebook. And you will try to tell your answers to your parents also. So dears, today we will read a story, We Indians, to learn more about the things that I have shown you. So, we are going to read the story, We Indians, to learn more about these things. So, now I'll read the story and you'll follow me. And also, you have to do one thing you can underline the words that you have seen in these pictures. Okay, so let's start. We Indians by Mehru J. Wadia. My name is Meenakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil. My favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? Yes, she is Meenakshi. And from where she is? Right, she is from Tamil Nadu. And which language she can speak? She speak Tamil And what is their favorite festival? It is Pongal. I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. I'm 7 years old. How old are you? From where Ramu Patel is children? Right. He's from Gujarat. And which language he is using to speak? It is Gujarati. And what does he like to do? He likes to do Garba. How many years old he is? He is 7 years old. My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy watching puppet shows. I travel by camel. How do you travel? Yes, Gulabo is from where? Gulabo is from Rajasthan. And which kind of dresses she's wearing? Yes, she likes to wear beautiful, colorful dress. And which game she's enjoying? She enjoys watching puppet shows. And how does she travel? She travels by camel. I come from Bengal. I am Badal Ghosh. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shantiniketan. What do you study? Here, who has come from Bengal? Badal Ghosh comes from Bengal. And which language he uses to speak? He speaks Bengali and he study at Shantiniketan. I am Vita. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Our neighbors in Mumbai are Assamese. They come from Assam. Where do you come from? Yes. What is the name of this lady here? Yes, she is Vita. From where she is? She comes from Maharashtra. And which language she uses? She uses Marathi. And who is her neighbors? Her neighbors are Assamese and they come from Assam. I am Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My friend Amarjit Singh likes Bhangra. Which dance do you like? Dears, which kind of dance Amarjit uses? Amarjit likes to use Bhangra. What is the name of his friend? His name is Surinder. From where he is? He is from Punjab. I am Neeraj Tripathi. I come from Uttar Pradesh. I speak Hindi. I am learning Urdu from my friend Tariq Beg. What language do you speak? From where Neeraj Tripathi come? Right. Neeraj Tripathi comes from UP. He comes from Uttar Pradesh. And which language he speak? He is speaking Hindi. And which language he is learning from his friend? He is learning Urdu from his friend Tariq. I am Unnikrishna Nair. I come from Kerala. I speak Malayalam. I am learning Kathakali. My favorite tree is the coconut tree. Which tree do you like best? Wow, he's from our state, Kerala. And which language he is speaking, dears? Right, we know that he is speaking Malayalam. What is he learning? He is learning Kathakali. And what is the name of his favorite tree? It is coconut tree. My name is Kamala. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada. I play the mridangam. Do you play any musical instrument? Dears, what does Kamala likes to play? Yes, she likes to play mridangam. This is the name of a musical instrument. From where she come? Right, she comes from Karnataka. Bhardi is my name. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. During my summer holidays, I go to Kashmir to visit my friends Salma and Suleiman. Where do you go for your holidays? Yes, dears. Who come from Andhra Pradesh? Bharati. She is coming from Andhra Pradesh. And which language she use? She speaks Telugu. And during her summer holidays, she went to Kashmir to visit her friends Selma and Suleiman. We are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Oriya. We decorate our walls and floor with finger patterns. Do you have a sister or brother? Yes, dears. Which state these two sisters belong? Yes, these two sisters belongs to Odisha. And which language does they use to speak? Right, they used to speak Oriya. How do they decorate their floor and walls? Yes, by using finger patterns, they are decorating their floors and walls. We come from different places, but we are all Indians first. Just here we can see different kind of people who are living in our country, in our India. They belongs to different states, different places. Their language is different, their culture is different, their food is different, their likes and dislikes are different. But we all are Indians. We all are brothers and sisters. Yes, dears, we have read the story We Indians. I hope you all have understood the story. Okay, now tell me, what have you learned from the story? What have you read from the story? Right, we have read different kind of people who are living in our country, in our India, but they all are belongs to, they all are from different places, and their language is different, their culture is different, their dressing style is different, and their food is different, their likes and dislike that are also different, but they all are living in one country. It is our India, means we all are Indians. We all are brothers and sisters. So, dears, can you tell me what is the same about you and a character in the story? What is different? Why? Yes, you have seen many things in the story and the pictures, and these things remind you of anything? Yes, you can recall. What about the character, this Unnikrishnan Nair? This character reminds me of our state, Kerala, and which language he is speaking? Yes, it is Malayalam, and he is learning Kathakali. And what is his favorite tree? It is the coconut tree. So by seeing these pictures, these coconut trees pictures, we can remind him. This is Unnikrishnan Nair. And look at this picture, this camel's picture. This picture remind you of anything? Yes, this picture reminds us about this Gulabo. She is from Rajasthan. This picture reminds us this Gulabo. She is enjoying to watch this puppet show, and she travels by camel. These are the things that we can remind with the help of these pictures. Then what about this dance? Which dance is that? Yes, it is a Punjabi dance. So, by looking at this picture, we can remind one face. Whose face is that? It is Surinder. And where he is from? He is from Punjab, and there is a dance also. What is the name of this dance? It is Bhangra, right? It is having another style. So, dears, these are some of the things that is coming our mind when we are seeing these pictures. Now, see, here I have written something on this board. These things are the same about the characters in the story and ourselves. So let's read it. It is all characters in the story have a name. Then here we all have a name too. We are also having our own names. Then Gulabo likes to see a puppet show. We also likes to see a puppet show. Dears, have you ever seen a puppet show? If you will see, then you will also like it, this puppet show. It is very interesting. These things are common in our life and in the characters in that story also. Then Badal Ghosh goes to school to study. Then we also come to school to study. These are some things that is common in the characters in the story and with ourselves. Then what are the differences in the characters of the story with ourselves? Right. Our language is different, our dressing style is different, our food is different, our culture is different, and our likes and dislikes, these are different. So these are the differences. Okay, then see, let's take the last page, 26. Here the sentence, but we are all Indians first. What do you mean by this sentence? Right, there are many characters in the story. We have seen so many people, so many different kind of people in the story. Their language is different, culture is different, food, everything was different, but they are saying that we all are Indians. They all are lives in one country. Which country is that? It is our India. Means besides all these differences, they all are Indians. So that is the theme that we have got from the story. So now let's move on to our workbook from page number 20. It is S1, text to self connections. Question number 1, draw one thing from the story you have seen before and write its name on the line. So here you have to draw one thing from the story that you have seen before. Then question number 2, write one thing that is the same between you and a character in the story. So here we have discussed some things that is same in the characters of the story with ourselves. Then question number 3, Gulabo comes from Rajasthan, the land of puppet shows. So here circle the Rajasthan on the map. Here you will circle the place of Rajasthan, the state of Rajasthan in this country. Then let's move on to our practice questions. It is from page number 28. Question number 1. List the different places in the story. We Indians. Write one more thing about each place. So there we have seen many places, many states in our country, in our India. So there you have to list those places in your notebook, and after that you have to write one more thing about each places. For example, if you write the name of Rajasthan, there you can write one more thing about this place. Like Rajasthan is a desert, and in the case of Gujarat, yes, it has salt lakes. And what about Punjab? Yes, it is the land of rivers. So this how you can find out one more thing about each places that is from the story. Then question number 2, look at pictures in newspapers, magazines or articles and write what they remind you off. So this we have already done from our previous classes, so you can write in that manner. So dears, what have we learned today? Right, we have collected all the details about the characters from the story, and we learned that we all are living in India. So dears, this is enough for today's class. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.